RTA launches Dubai Metro's Blue Line multi-billion-dollar expansion project. Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, has invited contractors to partake in the design and construction of Dubai Metro's new Blue Line as part of its ongoing efforts to enhance the Emirates' transportation infrastructure. The new Dubai Metro line, set to stretch for 30 kilometers, will connect the existing red and green lines with 15.5 kilometers, approximately half of its track, running underground, while the remaining 14.5 kilometers will be elevated above the ground. The Blue Line will reportedly feature 14 stations in total, of which 7 will be elevated, including one iconic stop. Additionally, the line will feature 5 underground stations, including an interchange station, as well as 2 elevated transfer stations connecting to Centrepoint and Creek stations. The scope of this expansive project encompasses civil works, electromechanical works, rolling stock, and rail systems. Furthermore, the selected contractor will play a key role in the new metro line's maintenance and operation during the first 3 years following its completion. According to reports, international contractors will be required to collaborate with local partners in this venture. Currently, the Red Line connects Old Dubai to New Dubai, from Centrepoint located in Al Rashidiyah district to Expo City located in Jebel Ali, while the Green Line connects to the Red Line at Burjuman and features more stations in Old Dubai. A Dubai-based real estate agency proposed that the Blue Line extend from Muhaizna to Al Maktoum International Airport, connecting the red and green lines at 4 stations and passing through International City, the Villa, and Damak Hills. Dubai's metro expansion aligns with the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan, which is designed to accommodate the anticipated population growth of 2.2 million people from 2020 to 2040, ensuring the city can effectively respond to this demographic change. In December 2022, Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, launched the 20-minute city policy that will allow residents to move around the city within 20 minutes by 2040, with the use of a more integrated public transportation system.